Are you ready to sip your way to a younger, healthier you? In this video, we've uncovered 11 amazing anti-aging drinks that are not only delicious, but also packed with powerful ingredients to slow down the aging process. Stay tuned till the end to learn all about them. 1. Acai berry juice. Acai berry juice is often promoted for its potential benefits for skin health due to its rich antioxidant content and other nutrients that support overall skin vitality. Some skincare products include acai berry extract for its potential rejuvenating effects. Acai berries are loaded with antioxidants, including vitamins A, C, and D, as well as flavonoids and anthocyanins. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants help prevent cellular damage, which can lead to premature aging, wrinkles, and other signs of skin aging. Moreover, acai berry juice contains, besides vitamin C, also ellagic acid, which are known to support collagen production in the skin. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and elasticity to the skin. As we age, collagen production naturally decreases, leading to sagging and wrinkles. By promoting collagen synthesis, acai berry juice may help maintain skin firmness and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. 2. Coffee. Coffee is one of the richest dietary sources of antioxidants, such as chlorogenic acids, caffeic acid, and polyphenols. These antioxidants help reducing wrinkles, sunspots, and loss of elasticity of the skin. Besides the antioxidants, the caffeine in coffee is known to have stimulating effects on the central nervous system. Moderate caffeine intake has been associated with improved cognitive function, including enhanced alertness, concentration, and memory. Some research also suggests that coffee consumption may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. In addition, coffee may help support metabolic health and weight management, which are important factors in healthy aging. Some research suggests that caffeine and other compounds in coffee may increase metabolic rate, promote fat oxidation, and improve insulin sensitivity, potentially reducing the risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. 3. Tomato juice. Tomatoes are packed with antioxidants such as lycopene, vitamin C, and beta-carotene. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to aging. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, tomato juice may help protect the skin from damage caused by UV radiation, pollution, and other environmental factors. Lycopene, the predominant antioxidant in tomatoes, has been linked to various skin benefits. It may help improve skin texture, reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, and promote a healthy, radiant complexion. Additionally, the vitamin C in tomato juice plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. 4. Hot cocoa. Cocoa, the primary ingredient in chocolate, offers a range of potential anti-aging benefits due to its rich content of antioxidants and bioactive compounds. Cocoa is loaded with antioxidants, including flavonoids such as catechins and epicatechins. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, which can damage cells and contribute to aging. By reducing oxidative stress, cocoa may help protect cells and tissues from premature aging and age-related diseases. The flavonoids and antioxidants in cocoa may also benefit skin health. These compounds help protect the skin from damage caused by UV radiation, pollution, and other environmental stressors. Cocoa consumption or topical application of cocoa extracts may help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, improve skin elasticity, and promote a more youthful complexion. Before we proceed to the next amazing drink, be sure to hit the subscribe button. 5. Ginger tea. Ginger contains potent antioxidants such as gingerol, which help neutralize free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging. By reducing oxidative stress, ginger tea may help protect cells from premature aging and age-related diseases. As we age, the immune system may weaken, making us more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Ginger contains immune-boosting compounds that help strengthen the body's natural defenses against pathogens. Drinking ginger tea regularly may support immune function and help fend off age-related illnesses. 6. Pomegranate juice. Welcome to the world of pomegranate juice, where flavor meets a wealth of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals aimed at invigorating not just your taste buds, but your overall health. This deep red drink isn't just tasty, it helps combat inflammation, a common factor in chronic diseases and signs of aging. Research shows it can help lower blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and oxidative stress, all of which are connected to inflammation. But that's not all. Pomegranate juice also holds secrets for supporting brain health and memory, thanks to urolithin A, a compound produced by gut bacteria. It helps protect mitochondria, the cell's energy producers, from decline over time, thus boosting cognitive function. And its benefits extend further. It also supports skin and hair health thanks to its high vitamin C content, which promotes collagen production, keeping skin youthful and reducing wrinkles and sagging. 7. Beet juice. Beet juice isn't just a tasty treat, it holds secrets to vitality and well-being. Behind its flavor lies inorganic nitrate, which your body transforms into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels, promoting better circulation and lower blood pressure. This makes it a protector for your heart and brain against aging. But beet juice offers more than that. It's packed with antioxidants like polyphenols and balenes, which fight inflammation and oxidative stress, bolstering your immune system and defending against cellular damage. Plus, it supports muscle strength and endurance, particularly beneficial for older adults combating age-related muscle loss. 8. Turmeric tea. Turmeric, a colorful member of the ginger family, holds a significant place in traditional medicine with a history spanning millennia. Its key component, curcumin, boasts remarkable properties, including anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, and antioxidant effects. Turmeric may offer relief during menopause by restoring hormonal balance, potentially alleviating hot flashes and enhancing mood. Additionally, its golden compounds may help combat bone loss associated with decreased estrogen levels and alleviate symptoms of arthritis. As time passes, turmeric may also aid in maintaining a healthy body weight. 9. Kefir. Consider kefir as a fermented milk marvel, brimming with beneficial bacteria and yeast, a dynamic duo for your gut. This creamy beverage isn't merely tasty, it's packed with essential nutrients like calcium, protein, and B vitamins. Thanks to its calcium and vitamin K2 content, it plays a role in maintaining calcium balance and strengthening bones. But the advantages extend beyond bone health. Kefir also aids digestion. Your gut, crucial to the aging process, benefits from kefir's probiotics, which balance gut flora, easing inflammation and digestive discomfort. Additionally, kefir supports the immune system. Loaded with bioactive compounds such as organic acids and peptides, it helps regulate immune responses, bolstering defenses against pathogens. Moreover, kefir may contribute to heart health by potentially reducing cholesterol and blood pressure levels. It's more than just a beverage. It's a beneficial addition to your daily routine, whether homemade or store-bought. 10. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins like EGCG, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Visualize green tea as a partner in your pursuit of radiant skin, regulating oiliness and slowing down the aging process, leaving your skin soft and hydrated. But the benefits don't end there. Green tea serves as a silent ally in weight management. As we age, maintaining a healthy weight becomes increasingly challenging, but green tea offers support in this endeavor. Green tea has been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat oxidation. Additionally, some studies suggest that green tea consumption may help lower the risk of cardiovascular disease by reducing cholesterol levels, improving blood vessel function, and lowering blood pressure. Moreover, green tea's goodness extends beyond the physical aspect to cognitive well-being. The catechins in green tea have been linked to improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Green tea may help protect brain cells from damage and support healthy brain aging. 11. Water. Drinking water plays a crucial role in overall health. Staying adequately hydrated is essential for maintaining healthy skin. Proper hydration helps to keep the skin moisturized, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Dehydrated skin can appear dull and aged, so drinking enough water can help maintain a youthful glow. Additionally, proper hydration is important for maintaining the lubrication and cushioning of joints. Adequate water intake helps support joint flexibility and mobility, reducing the risk of stiffness and discomfort associated with aging. Moreover, staying hydrated is essential for optimal cognitive function. Dehydration can lead to cognitive decline, including issues with memory, concentration, and overall mental clarity. By keeping the brain hydrated, water can help support cognitive health as we age. Which drink is your favorite, or which one would you like to try? Let us know your answers in the comments, and for more amazing videos, subscribe to our channel.